Have you seen how PDM Professional has brought a whole new level of control to your CAD file management? Imagine if there was a way to level up even further. What if there was a solution that does the same thing for your project management and business that PDM does for your CAD data? That solution is SOLIDWORKS Manage. We believe all PDM Professional customers can benefit from SOLIDWORKS Manage. It is fully integrated with PDM Pro, but now adds functionality to manage projects with automatic reporting and process control. This replaces the need for third-party applications that are outside of your PDM environment and that have to be updated manually. SOLIDWORKS Manage simplifies working with all that data and automatically keeps track of everything with your projects, just like PDM Professional does for your CAD data. The biggest advantage depends on your needs as a business. Manage is fully customizable. It is more of a database manager than just a document manager, and has an expanding scope to adapt to your business. So one example would be reporting using live dashboards. How do you know how a project is going? Do you have regular meetings where you need to produce updates and results? Are you working through this data manually? Every time? Is it stagnant, or are you seeing live updates? SOLIDWORKS Manage takes the manual process out of project reports and works seamlessly with your data to give you easy-to-read charts. Another example would be project tracking and planning. Everyone knows that Gantt charts are vital tools to project management, but how often are we just updating them after the fact? Do we believe the numbers we are seeing, or are we just using them to explain why our projects are behind? Instead of feeling like a burden where you have to manually update these progress reports, use SOLIDWORKS Manage to integrate your actions into viable data. Your investment in PDM Professional has paid off more and more as you continue to create more and more CAD files. Getting ahead of that curve has been key to your success. Maybe it's time to see if there are any other resources that could benefit your company even more and allow you to level up even further.